Hey friends of YouTube, welcome to the One Kid Couple channel. In tonight's video, we are looking at some Christmas lights at Elf Acres on the far west side of San Antonio. Now I've got some information up on the screen for you, but definitely check out their website for specific information, especially height requirements for your vehicles. I will tell you that the winding path that all these lights are on, there's a lot of trees and there's probably a lot of low-hanging branches, so there is height information on the website. And then also I wanted to provide one tip, and that is after you have gone through the gate where the ticket person is, try to wait a little while before the car in front of you is out of your sight, because if you follow too close to them, you're just going to get their brake lights the whole way through and it kind of kills the mood. But other than that, I cut out a lot because I didn't want to give it away for everyone, and I did want to make sure that I didn't take anything away from the owners of Elf Acres. If you end up visiting them, please comment below what you thought about it. Otherwise, enjoy the video and we will see you in the next one. Thanks guys.
La da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.